few problems that traders have. One of them is fear of missing out, right? So fear of missing out isn't a psychological problem. That's in the vague, right? But when you look at it specifically, fear of missing out just comes down to not timing the market correctly. Now, our jobs are to time the market. You can time the market, never with 100% precision, but enough precision to be right more than wrong. And so FOMO can be reduced if you actually know what you're looking for. So I'm going to be breaking down this trade over here. So if you trade the opening range breakout, or if you look for any pivots or reversals or any of these things, looking for what's going on inside of your zone will prevent you from entering with FOMO, right? So context beats FOMO. So the way to get around FOMO is by understanding the footprint chart. So again, it's going from the vague to the specific. Context, right? There's two types of market participants. You have market orders and limit orders. So if you are FOMOing into positions, the reason why is because you're fundamentally not understanding whether there are limit orders resting in your region and where those limit orders are actually stepping in. So I'm going to be breaking a long down in this video, a trade I took. And I want you to understand that passive orders move the markets, right? So if you come into a zone and you know that they're passive buyers, you want to be buying. And if you see passive sellers, you want to be selling. Now, from a footprint chart perspective, you need context in your zone. From a footprint chart perspective, red or negative delta over here means that there are more market sell orders, right? Red for selling. Now, you see that over here, you see that over here. Now, when you see blue delta, there's actually more market buyers. There are more market buyers for that price. Now, the context you need is you need to understand where the sellers are aggressive, and you need to have a key level defined. And if you see a break above that key level, it shows you the market sell orders have not been successful. Therefore, there are buy limit orders resting here. That is the basic context you need when it comes to order flow trading. So another word for this is trapped. What you're looking for is trapped sellers. So here's another example.